This install is a closure straight unit from Kiss Love Hair. This is a full start to finish install, all the steps, of course. This is how it's going to end up looking. This wig is very, very thick. This is the closure space that you get. It does come pre-parted with the deep side part, but I did go in and touch it up. It was a little bit too high for my liking, but this wig is very thick, as you can see, from beginning to end. It also has the drawstring and the elastic band on the inside, so you can wear this completely glueless. I did as well. I start off by putting on my wig band, and this wig grip band just helps the wig from sliding back. If you like to do glueless installs, it is a essential, a must-have. I got this one from TikTok Shop. I've also gotten the other ones that I use from Amazon, so y'all can check that out, or you can go follow me on my TikTok. I have it listed in my showcase. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a full glueless install, but I am going to be doing dramatic edges. So if you don't like dramatic edges, then just don't do them. But I like to do them from time to time, especially on my straight units. This lace was amazing. I didn't put any makeup on the lace until I put the wig on, and it literally blended right in as soon as I put that makeup on. Like, honestly, before I put the makeup on, you could barely see the lace. It's very thin. But I have no complaints about this wig other than the fact that it's just really thick, which I don't even know if that's a downside, but it just made it hard for me to really get the top nice and flat. It is possible, and I did get it flat, but it just took a lot of time. So just be patient, take your time, section the hair as you see me doing, and you'll be able to do the same thing as well. Make sure to watch all the way to the end so you can see the full install, all the details to the unit down below in the description box if you would like to get one. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed.
That gas, gas, nigga, I got that gas, gas. bust it down, I ain't selling less than a half. Yeah, I'm on the ass, zooming down 85 with a bag and a half. Yeah, then my phone ring, it's a jug telling me to bring him a bag. Yeah, I bust a U-ball and dash. Yeah, this shit starting to smell like some ass. Yeah, my car be reeking the gas. Yeah, pistol on my lap, not the dashboard. Bitch, you don't get what you asked for. You only get what you paid for. I paid less but made more. Walked on my feet till they was sore. She heard me trap, Keisha Keo. Walked out that door, came in with more. I got that gas, that gas, that gas, nigga. I got that gas, that gas, that gas, that gas, nigga. I got that gas, I got that gas, that gas, that gas, nigga. I got that gas, that gas, that gas, that gas, nigga. I got that. Gotta tell you how much I vibe with you.